We've had a lot of interest from our clients about having a different type of forum to interact with our team about Workamajig. We created the Bootcamp to have more intimate sessions with our clients to really understand their business needs.
There's a bit more ability for us as account managers and staff to work directly with clients and for them to network with each other. So a little bit different than our standard conferences.
Every time I learn something new about Workamajig, I realize there's 30 more things to learn about Workamajig.
You don't know what you don't know.
What they have asked for is a deeper dive.
We've taken on some big clients over the last year or so, and so we're really trying to streamline operations.
How they can approach deployment, how they can pilot certain features, how they can get feedback from their users.
It's great to be hands-on and talk to the people from Workamajig and say, hey, here's the problem that I'm having.
For us, it's been really diving in and beginning to use Workamajig to its full potential.
One of the things that we wanted to convey during this bootcamp is explain the way. Sort of our vision of how workflow should be managed through the software.
We've had a lot of years of bad habits in using it, so we see it as an opportunity to get in, learn what we don't know, and the benefits to sticking to the way.
What we want to do is convey sort of the importance of all the things that connect to it.
There's a lot of actionable insights you can get immediately.
Things start to click and you see some lights go on.
I thought it was structured really well, just kind of starting that base level. Here's things we already understand now, and here's how you can add on to that and really show more value for your organization.
We were very excited to talk to other people that were going to be at the conference and kind of exchange experiences.
And then bring that to the team and show them the benefits of doing it and how it can affect our projects.
And it just kind of re-inspires you to go back and see okay, what else am I not using? What can I use better?
Whether you have a little knowledge coming in or you're extremely advanced, I think you can find value either way.
I've been spending a lot of time figuring out what I want to learn next or what I want to implement next.